Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Rocky Linux 9.7 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Rocky Linux official website and download. It is rockylinux.org. Click on download or download, both are same. See here we have in Rocky Linux 10 we have the 10.1 is the latest one. In Rocky Linux 9 series 9.7 is the latest one. See here we have three options: download, DVD ISO, boot ISO, minimal ISO. These are direct links to download. If you want to download by using torrent, you have to click on here. Click on this DVD ISO. No need to register. See, download started. See here its size is about 12.4 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here I have already downloaded Rocky Linux 9.7 DVD ISO. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Next. Now select the installer disk image file, that is ISO, then click on browse, then go to download. See here I have the Rocky 9.7 DVD ISO selected, then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Rocky 97 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Click on OK. Click on next. Provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. I want to increase this memory to 2 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes. So click on customize hardware. Use this pointer to move up or down. Provide memory here in megabytes. Then click on close. See here the checkbox. Power on this virtual machine after creation. Don't select this one and click on finish. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or go to VM and select settings, or right click on this virtual machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, you want to only edit, go to edit virtual machine settings, then display and select this accelerate 3D graphics, then click on OK, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Rocky Linux 9.7, and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. Select the language and click on continue. See here the begin installation is grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So click on installation destination. I am okay with the default, so click on done. Then root password. See here root account is disabled. Click on it. See, if you want to enable, we have to unselect this checkbox, that is lock root account. Then set the password for this account. If you want allow root SH login with password, you have to select the checkbox. Then click on done. User creation. I am giving user full name as R2 schools, and this is the username, and make this user as administrator. Select the checkbox. Then provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on done. Software selection. See here these are the base environments. Based on this base environment, it will provide these additional softwares. Whatever you want, you can select. See here server GUI, server, minimal install, workstation, custom operating system, and virtualization host. Whatever you want, you can select. Then select these optional softwares. Okay, I'm going with the default, so click on done. If you want to modify like date and time and these options, you can click on and you can change. I'm okay with all these settings. Then click on begin installation. See, Rocky Linux 9.7 installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Click on reboot system. Now click on username and provide the password that you have set for this user. Click on no thanks. Now open terminal. Increase the font size, go to preferences, click on this unnamed custom font, increase the font size, select it, close it. Now update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of this user. This user must be the sudo user. Hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Rocky Linux 9.7 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.